important synthetic fiber, that is polyester. When we are discussing the category of polyester, you must all know that it is one of the most useful synthetic fibers out of rayon, acrylic or even nylon. So best use of the polyesters are found in the conveyor belts. We will be discussing it later on. But one of the most important polyester is the PETE. It is a short form. It basically stands for polyethylene terephthalate. So you have to remember this name. It is the acronym for PE. It is the acronym for this is the PETE. You can also simply write it as terylene, or you can say Dacron. So this is the polymer from which polyester is made. Every synthetic fiber is made from a polymer. In the case of polyester, it is PETE, that is polyethylene terephthalate. Now when this polymer is used to make the polyester, sometimes this polyester, basically terylene, if I say for the short form, this terylene is sometimes mixed with the natural fibers. Suppose it is mixed with cotton or it is mixed with wool. So when this type of fabric is mixed with cotton, it can become terry wool, terrycot, and with wool it will become terry wool. Now when this fiber is mixed with the natural fibers, what is the advantage? Now these two fibers are the examples of mixed fibers. Terrycot will have the properties of terylene, that is it is elastic, it is wrinkle resistant, and add the properties of cotton, that is it can absorb sweat. So like in the case of terry wool, it will have properties of terylene and the properties of wool. So this is one of the best examples or best use of these synthetic fibers, that they can get the properties of both synthetic and the natural fibers. So now let us discuss some of the uses of polyester. The first use of the polyester is in, let us discuss the properties first, then we will come to the uses. In the properties, the first property of synthetic fiber is that they are water resistant and they are wrinkle resistant. So they are water and wrinkle resistant. Also they are elastic. You can expand, you can stretch it to any form. Also they have good strength. So whenever you are stretching this type of fiber, it won't break. Now let us discuss some of the uses of polyester. Because it has very good strength, so it is used in the conveyor belts. Conveyor belts are basically used in the industries. Whenever we are producing any machine, so one part of the machine is fixed at the one corner and it is placed on the conveyor belt. It is placed on the conveyor belt, and the belt will automatically move, and this part will now be shifted to the other part of the room where it could be molded further. As it is lightweight, as the property of polyester is, because it has light weight, and thus because of the property of lightweight and strength, it is used as a sail. So you can it is usually found in the sailboats, because sailboats travel with the direction of the wind, and because polyester is lightweight, so it can be carried away with the wind and it can give direction to the boats. So we can see that among the uses of polyester in dresses, in curtains, in bed sheets, it could be actually used for the sailing and for the conveyor belt purposes. So this was everything about polyester. We discussed the formation of polyester from the PETE, that is polyethylene terephthalate, that is a short form of polyethylene terephthalate. And when this polyester has been simplified, you can also say it like terylene or Dacron. Then we have discussed the properties and the uses of polyester. This was about the concept of polyester.